Now this phantom wallet did not grow from luck. It grew from launching meme coins the right way. If you want to see exactly how it works, keep watching. Now there's a reason why I do not trade meme coins anymore. Now if we go look at the market real quick, you guys can see that Solana is down at $120, which means the volume is low and no one is making money trading meme coins. And the real money making method in 2025 is actually from deving meme coins. You have to take advantage of everyone losing money trading meme coins, and you have to become the person who launches these coins, okay? Because that's exactly when I realized the real winners are not buyers, they're the launchers. If I go on the coin real quick, why is it loading? If I go on the coin real quick, like this one right here, you guys can see that it went completely to zero. That is the whole point of launching coins, okay? What we do is we create coins for completely free. We wait for buyers. When the market cap is high, we basically make money from all the fees. So every single buy and sell, you make money off of every single transaction as a dev, and you can dump the coin and cash out a bunch of money by liquidating your position. Okay, so that's two sources of revenues from deving coins, and that is why it is so fucking lucrative. You guys have to tap in and watch this video. And by the way, bro, I just want to be clear that this entire video is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. So just understand the strategy before acting and before doing anything. Obviously, I am capping. But anyways, let's get down to the real part of today's video. How and where do you make a meme coin? Now, most people go to Pump.Fun to launch their meme coins because they think that Pump.Fun is the best option. But let me tell you why Pump.Fun is ass and why you have to avoid launching on here. First of all, Pump.Fun is oversaturated. There's too many coins flooding in every single minute, and you know, it's just ass because your meme coin has to reach a $50,000 market cap for it to be migrated, which takes too long, and it's basically impossible without any eyeballs. That's exactly why I switched to create coins.io, because this launchpad fixes all of that and launches your token directly onto the Raydium DEX, which will be viewed instantly and migrated instantly in front of a bunch of people on the spot. That is why you have to be launching on this website, bro, because your meme coin will be immediately graduated. It will basically skip the entire bonding curve and will be shown to tens and thousands of people. More exposure, more buyers, and better upside. That's why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now here's how to make a meme coin on this website and how to launch it and make some bread. You can either create your own coin, so you go on X and you look for a narrative. It could be anything from a Trump tweet, Elon Musk tweet. You can create a community for anything, just anything, right? Okay, it could be literally anything. Once you have a good narrative, bro, come back to create coins.io, invent a name, add a symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is live and up and running. Or you can either copy trending coins. Now this right here is my go-to strategy. Actually, I've built my entire portfolio from copying coins because these coins already have attention and traffic, which means you will get instant buyers and stronger profit potential from day one, all because you are copying coins that are already working and that already have a proven concept. But anyways, bro, let's stop yapping and let's get down to business once again. I will be copying a coin and we will see how much we make by the end of this video. So first of all, make sure you connect your Phantom wallet, then click on refresh list, and let's copy a coin right here. I'm going to copy the Dusty coin. It has it as by 3 seconds ago, which is not too shabby. Click on create coin. Ignore the block, proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm right here, and then the coin should be copied in a couple seconds. Boom! And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really simple. We are just adding liquidity here. Now this is where the coin gets actually created on chain and people can actually buy and sell your token. Okay, now for the amount token A, just make sure you click on 90%, that will drop 900 million tokens right under for the amount token B. This acts as your first buy into your own coin. You are not losing any SOL here, it is just being locked up to open the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and once liquidity is removed, that SOL comes straight back inside your Phantom wallet, so we have nothing to lose. I will put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe, and you are going to get this back later since you are the creator of the coin. Click on create pool. After that, make sure to click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the coin is on live. Your profits, okay, and everything, the P&L will show up right here. And obviously, bro, if you click on the refresh button to check your official profits, now we're up $120, which is like 1 SOL. I know it is really bad, but it still works. Okay, we're already up $100. Like, that's actually insane. Click on view on Photon. Let me go on full screen for a better view of our coin. And now the coin is live. We're already up like $100 or $120 or something like that. It's actually fucking insane. 1.3k market cap, bro. It's actually insane, bro. Right here, we're already up a couple $100, right? Oh my god, now it's exploding, okay? But yeah, we're already up a couple $100, right? And the crazy part is that, bro, people work hours for $15, okay? $30. People work 1 hour for minimum wage. But we just fucking launched a coin live, and we're already up like $300. Like, that's actually fucking insane. You guys gotta take advantage of this deving opportunity, because the truth is that deving is way more profitable than trading. You guys will see in a few. Be right back. Okay guys, I am back, and we are pushing fucking high right now. It's at a 3k market cap. The liquidity is looking good. I think right now is my cue to make some money. So if you want to dump this coin hypothetically, come back to createcoins.io, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button right here. And now we're up $1.3 thousand, which is not too shabby. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin right here to remove everything. And then obviously, bro, make sure to click on confirm right here. We are going to receive 11 Solana. 3, 2, 1. And then boom, we just dumped the coin. If I open my wallet, boom, I just received $1.4 thousand straight inside my Phantom wallet, bro. Even though the market is really down, we still ended up making $1,000, bro. Imagine if Solana was at $200. That would have been 2.5k. It's actually insane. You guys gotta tap in, bro. Let's fucking go. DM me on X if you have any questions at Crypto or GP Flips. I respond to everyone. Join my Telegram down below. And yeah, bro, peace.